this field, and I'm going to show you how to set up your Weebly site so that it's visible to everyone. So as you can see on my desktop here, I have my Weebly site open, and what I'm going to do first is I've got to create a sample student. So I'm going to click on Add Student, and I'm going to give my sample student a name, since that's my dog Ginger in the background howling. I'm going to call this Ginger, last name Fields. And then it gives me a username for her, gfields079, and I'm going to give her a password, Basset, because she's a Basset hound. Anyway, so now I'm going to click Add, and there is Ginger Fields. And what we're going to do first is we're going to go ahead and click on her. And as you can see, she is going to be in the Advanced Language Arts class. There's her information. And let me go ahead and go back to the student list. I'll need to log out here, so I'm going to pause it for a minute. And then once I come back, I will be logged in as Ginger. So here I am. I have logged out as myself, and now I am logging in as Ginger, my Basset hound, and her password or her username was gfields079, and this is the second time I've actually logged in. The first one was before, and then now it's the second one. And here's the password, BASSETT. Click login. Hopefully it's all going to work good. Well, it's going to work well. So now here is, now this is where I'm going to enter in my title of my website, and I'm just going to call it Ginger's Crybaby, because she's a crybaby. And all in caps. Site. Okay. Once I click Save Title, then now there's the site. Now what I have to do next is I need to make sure I publish it. Now I think that that's what happened with Olivia and Stephanie's site. They just didn't publish it. So here's Ginger's Crybaby site. I could change this. It'd probably be a big old picture of her big Basset hound crying, whining baby self. But I'll go ahead and leave this just because I wanted to show you how to make sure that your site was visible. So I'm just going to click Publish. And then what happens is, let's see, we'll go with use subdomain of Weebly, a great way to blah, blah, blah. So now we're just going to name it here. Ginger, seeing how it's going to say it's taken, Ginger's Crybaby site. Okay, so now that's available, and I'm just going to click Continue, and I'm not going to share it. I'm not going to share it on Facebook. I'm not going to share it on Twitter, but there it is, and that's the site, and I am done. And that's exactly, now here's the password, and the password for all of our sites here on the Weebly for my advanced class is Apple, all lowercase, A-P-P-L-E. Click Login, and there's Ginger's Crybaby site, and it's visible. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause this recording, I'm going to log back into myself, as myself, and I'm going to show you what that would look like. So hold on just a second. Okay, so here I am back again, and I've logged back in as myself, and you can see everyone's list here. And now I have Ginger's little site, and notice when I click on it, you can see there's a link to her site now. Whereas on Olivia's site, all she needs to do is publish, and that's the same with, I think Stephanie needed to do hers also. Where did Stephanie go? I think she's up at the top because it's in alphabetical order. There's Stephanie. So Stephanie and Olivia, you guys just need to go back and make sure that you publish. And that's it. I hope that helped.